Hey guys, so I am packing, well, I should be packing right now, but I'm about to start packing because tomorrow my family and I, we leave to go to Michigan, and I'm excited because that's where all my family lives, and it's just, long overdue. It's been 3 years since I've been there. My parents were there 2 years ago. So yeah, I gotta pack. I'm hoping to do a vlog throughout my whole trip. We're going to my cousin's house to see my little baby cousins, and it was my baby cousin Sammy's first birthday, so we're gonna kind of celebrate that and just have dinner over there. And then I need to pack because I haven't done anything and it's terrible, and if you have a chronic illness, don't do this. Actually, if you're anybody, don't wait till the last three hours you have to freaking pack. Ugh. But okay, talk to you guys later. I ain't playing, Dad.
You ain't playing.
You ready to go to Michigan?
Yep. On the way.
Got your Wayne State shirt on?
Wayne State, yep. Going to school.
Got the food?
Got the food.
Got the presents?
On the move. Alright.
Hi, Sammy. Hi. Little shoes.
Hi.
Please. He's dancing too.
Oh my goodness.
I think so.
Twinkle, twinkle,
But
little
he was still going downstairs when
star.
I was there.
How I wonder what you are. But I have all of me.
You're silly. You're silly.
Yeah.
Real good?
Oh yeah. Excellent.
Now he acts different. Oh, lovely. We're about to eat before our flights to Michigan. Got your purple backpack on?
Oh yeah.
You look like a little boy going to school for the first day.
Little boy?
Yeah. Junior.
Junior. We landed. Chaos. Too many people. So we just landed in Detroit, and now we're on our way to my grandma's house. Driving. We got the rental car. We used to have my grandma's car, but she doesn't have the car anymore. Rental cars. But yeah. Look, we found the box in grandma's house with my dad's name on it. Looking at pictures. This is my dad in his youngin' days.
My youngin' names?
Yes.
Where is this at?
This is your dad
Where's
as
this
Santa
at?
Claus.
This is in Vegas, right?
Is that him?
Oh no, this
Probably.
is in Utah? Where is
Dad's
that?
not that white. He's tan.
Is that Utah or Red
No,
Rock?
that's Red Rock.
Oh gosh, let's not look at those. Oh, here's one of me as Chunky Monkey baby.
Oh, that's
What is this?
No, that's
Samantha?
Back in grade school.
that's
This is from my
Oh,
baby
that's
shower.
Steve Claus.
My baby shower.
That's Steve Claus.
This is from my
That's
baptism.
baptism.
yeah, David.
And
I mean Uncle Dave.
that, look how pretty my mom was.
That's Dave Claus and Judy.
And then there's Chunky Monkey. That's my grandma's house.
Yeah.
And we're off. We're going to see my
I think kids
great
are
aunt
cool.
Eleanor now, which is my mom's aunt. And yeah. So day one in Michigan.
I was trying to joke with him, but I don't think he got the joke. I just don't want to know the baby.
you can be right next to the water. Be the stars of my vlogs.
Oh, forget pause.
On Facebook.
What?
Starbucks. I said you guys are gonna be the stars of my vlog. My beautiful mother.
Judy Corny Beers Room.
My dorky dad.
Who's Corny Beers Room?
I'm on YouTube, of course. We have no Wi-Fi at my grandma's house, so we're at Starbucks, and I am uploading my vlog, but it's taking so long. So there's no way. I'm gonna have to do it at my cousin's house another time. But I'm trying for you guys.
Probably 105 is like the highest. And I think that Chapman's got it for Cincinnati.
Has he pitched for us yet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the smoke on
They
that.
brought him up. They brought him up a couple weeks ago to take
Wow,
the closer.
I can't believe that guy.